Alright, it is December 20-something, 23rd I think. Yeah, almost Christmas. And decided to go to Alice's. Look at this thing. This thing's awesome. Folk wheels, always a favorite. Recaro, shifter. Does that have the motion, the local old school local detector for how close you are? That's hilarious. That's awesome. Whoops. Got a bunch of Porsches here today. Looks like a GT3. I'll show you how dirty I got my car in a few minutes. Lovely Spider 918. Yeah. Still a cool car. And an M6 competition next to me. Alright. That is how filthy my car got. It was perfectly clean. The wheels are perfectly clean. The car was perfectly clean. I had to come out today. It's pretty messy. So, friends will be here in about 10 minutes. Motorcycle crew. Got a scooter as well. Yeah. I got a little dirty today. Just a smidge. Oh yeah. Things you see at Alice's. Pretty fun. He's gonna back his car up. Alright. That's the time you want to beat. Oh, is that the GT4 time?
That's the official.
That's the official GT4 time.
And I'm like, I don't know how easy
You've done
it is.
these. You've done some.
I've done the rest.
I was gonna say good. Yeah.
But
yeah.
that just reminds me.
This is kind of how it goes sometimes with traffic. And it's still gonna be a pretty day. Hopefully we're gonna go check out SF Sports Cars and see what else is going on. And go from there. Love this section of San Gregorio. It's really pretty back there. We kind of missed it. Could pass these guys, but don't want to risk it. So we're just kind of cruising here. And gonna hit the ocean in a minute. Cruise over there, and the weather looks better here than it was by Alice's. And the way I came up was super foggy and wet, which was a blast. Learning a little bit more about the cars. I drive more. So, okay, but we are at Pescadero Beach. Had a small rear bumper thing up. I don't actually know what hit anything. I have a clear bar on the back of my car, so this all looks perfectly filthy, so I'm trying to understand. But there's another gentleman with a backed up bumper car behind me, and a little impact. Nothing major, just annoying for me to now have to deal with that. But look at this. This is gorgeous. Who would have thought that today would be like today, and it's going to be rainy all next week. Oh well. Maybe I should wipe this down a little bit before I go to the car dealership. Got a little dirty there. Let's go get some stuff. You can't even see the logo. Alright, still a little dirty, but wiped it down. Couldn't help myself. Let's go check out the ocean over here. At least for a little bit. Yep. What a day. I'll tell you. Alright, well, let's hit the road and get back. We are at San Francisco Sports Cars. Always a fun place to visit. Tower Mina Imports as well. Yes. There we go. So much good stuff. There it is. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. This color is amazing. This is like a dark metallic red. And it's a gated GTS. Yeah, I think tempting. This thing looks pretty good. way too much money for me, but yeah, very, very nice. And it has the challenge grill as well from what I saw online. Yeah, it's amazing. I gotta take a closer look at this. 599 is huge. And then they have two Testarossas, a 430 and a GTS. Let's check them out in turn here. So everything's like, not everything's gated, but obviously this thing definitely has some wear. The price is probably sensible. Still a classic. Man, just gorgeous. And they got this 430, and what I want to look at is the 328. This 430 is pretty. Beige interior. I think it's natural. That's the name for it. This looks like it might be crema. This is pretty much what I grew up with. It's like the 308. It's got some paint touch-up chips there on the front. And some bolster wear. Yeah. Not the cleanest GTS, but still pretty. Design is amazing still. Yeah. Got a 360 here. Gorgeous. I think this is an F1 car if I remember. Probably said it on the back. Yes. Still pretty. Not sure about the black wheels. GT3, they got a GTS behind me. Beautiful Aston. I don't know where the other Testarossa is. Huh, interesting. Beautiful. Stainless steel DeLorean. Gosh, there's a lot here today that I actually really like. Look at this Fisker. It's almost the same color as the Porsche and then, okay, or as the Ferrari, but look at this. Oof. And okay, there's too much to look at here. This is cool. This is gorgeous too, wow. And we got a little look at the Monospicchio in a minute. Look at this thing, wow. It's got the Easy Porsche sticker on the side. Very nice. Yeah, Monospicchio. Look at this flying mirror. This thing's a bit higher priced. And I don't know with the black interior, but or maybe it's lower priced. I can't remember which is which. I think this is higher priced because it's a flying mirror. Anyhow, gorgeous. It's like being a kid in a candy shop. Too bad my buddy couldn't make it today. Alright. Other things you see out here. This is also for sale. This is their 308 GTB. Man, I've seen this before. This is, I believe, a car that was done by PI Razor body kits. SSC Customs, maybe? Feels like it's SS Customs. That's wild. Oh, it's missing the front bumper. Look at that. Maybe it's getting some body work done or redone.